230, 1041. Any actives?
That's nothing, mate. It's about as dull as a fucking blunt blade.
As dull as a what?
A blunt blade hasn't been sharpened for a very long time, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, smooth as the ocean floor at 10,000 feet.
Good morning, Matt.
Good morning, good morning. I'm in a CVPI.
Oh, good. Let me know if you need
What did
help.
you just do?
The streets there is scary out right now, girl. I'm scared.
Girl, I got one of y'all telling me this bitch dull, and the other one saying this bitch scary. I don't know which to believe.
Dull because I ain't driving out there alone, girl. There ain't no backup.
Backups arrived. I'm here. I'm here.
Thank you so much, Matt. Thank you.
Potent one is here. Woohoo!
Oh my God, there's 4 of us on duty.
005 is active but not on patrol. Apologies.
For 005 showing you active but not on patrol.
38 Tim traffic.
You too.
307's doing paperwork, but I'll get out there if I have to. Just call for me.
Girl, you focus on your paperwork. You got priorities.
That's okay, sir. I think I'll do more work on patrol.
Hello?
I just stare out a sentence for like 3 minutes before I finally type something.
Hello, Matt. Hello.
Paperwork.
Hi.
Will do that to you. It's the brain rot
How's it
of the
going? Good
BD.
morning.
Good morning.
I'm hiring an assistant soon.
So what?
Ooh, that's a good idea.
You good?
Take note.
Yeah, I do interviews and stuff. I'm drawing up my poster
Hey.
for interviews.
Has command determined my punishment yet?
Let me know if you got anyone that's like good but not great. Your
We
secondary
did
choice,
talk
you know,
about.
I might take you up on that.
I can talk to you about that
10-4.
in a second. Hello.
Hey.
Hello.
Why? What is
We
that
can talk
noise?
about it. I'll come to. I'll come talk to you about it.
Okay.
We can talk about it.
I'm at. Wait, do you want me to go to Mission Row?
Yeah, I guess just meet me there.
All right.
Yeah. Is it the marshal's office?
Oh,
Did I just
okay.
accidentally click my radio? I think my nails are getting too long. I just hit my radio button trying to talk
Girl,
to you on the
your
damn
nails too long. You just get them redone?
No, that was.
Bitch, you gonna be scratching
it's been a month.
suspects.
It's gonna
Going
be a
for
month.
cop scratch. Hello.
It's been a month.
And you know how these, you know how these sensitive bitches are. They gonna be like, oh my God, I need a rabies shot.
Hello? What the fuck? That's fucked up.
Well, I'm not saying that about you. I'm saying they would say that about you.
But that's fucked up to say about me. Like they acting like I got rabies. That's fucked up.
You don't know until you know, and when you know, it's too late.
It's too late. I get it. I get it.
All right, I'm pulling up to Mission Row now.
Okay, I'm at Strawberry Gas, so I'll be there in a second. Okay.
Are you refueling?
No, I'm just driving. Right. I'm passing Strawberry
God,
Gas.
I'm trying to make sure nothing bad happened.
Yeah, no, I'm okay. Just
All right.
driving.
All right. Well, I'll see you
into the
in
parking right now.
a momento.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Let's actually come get my car. Come get my car. Come get in the core.
Okay, I'm getting in the core.
Okay, goodbye.
I fixed the problem.
With what?
Well, to be clear, I'm not saying that the problem was the court cases, but they were both dropped, the civil case and the criminal case. So.
Oh, you know what? Actually, Matt, hold on. Let me see something really quick. I might have lied to you.
23 code 6 latest 1011 basic app.
Why would you lie to me?
It's not like I did it on purpose, Matt.
Frame, thank you for the 18 months. I appreciate it. And thank you for the 44. Ricky, thank you for the 57. Appreciate y'all.
Okay.
Can't be ordinary in
So
the back alleyway.
nope,
Not
I
being
take back
service.
my take back. Okay.
22:32.
Okay.
So, when you were asking about your punishment, what were you asking a specific situation about?
Not the one that we had previously spoken about regarding the murder gun.
Okay, that's the one you're asking. Okay, good. Okay, yes. We talked about it. We came to a conclusion, in which, okay, so like I explained to you, with the, when normally you do something, the first type of like disciplinary action we have going by is normally a warning, but
Right.
this is one of those situations that
About
we
2676
are not
Mission
going
Road.
to be warning you. I'm sure that you are
That's fine.
fully understanding of that because of the severity of the situation is obviously more serious. We talked long about it. It was between myself, Sky, Lucas, and Jimmy. And we are going to be issuing you 4 DAPs for negligence. So, and what that is that we met in the middle, from a major and a moderate DAP point.
Okay.
Because we didn't think that you had reached that threshold of gross negligence, considering it is your first offense. But obviously we kind of escalated a little bit due to the severity of the offense. So it's kind of like a tiered thing, if that makes sense.
Okay.
So it is considered the negligence with 4 DAPs, but it will be a 30-day, that it will be on your, like, record or whatever. You got to outrun your 30-day warrant pretty much.
Okay.
That's what we came up with and what we decided. You don't obviously have any other DAPs that I am aware of.
I don't believe I do.
No. Okay. So that's what we're gonna go with. 4 DAP points, 30 days for negligence. We also discussed, this is just a general informational kind of thing for you, because this might become something more. With a hot gun, if you caught a suspect with a hot gun at the time, you had to charge them right then and there with that hot gun, or you could not press those charges later. It was like if you had them in custody, you had the possession of the gun, you had to do it right then and there. That was with the old judicial members.
Right.
We are not sure if
yeah, there's no legislation indicating we could charge for hot guns.
206. Might be right to late.
There's no legislation that says whether you can or can't. There's no legislation fucking at all.
Yeah.
So we're not sure if Angel is going to, like how she, as now like lead, is going to handle that, and whether or not, your suspect can be charged with that weapon as they possessed it, for the situation that it was involved in. So we're unsure about that.
So from my understanding, double jeopardy applies to incidents, not oh gosh, how'd Richard say it? Not evidence, if I recall correctly. So I'm really questioning whether or not there's anything preventing us, or whether or not we just need to push it anyways and get an official determination.
Judge, yes, to have a judge handle it. And we talked about that. We talked about double jeopardy, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, because it was years ago that I had inquired questioning about it, because I have no fucking idea. But essentially, and this is the way I explained it to Lucas, Guy, and Jimmy, which was, if the suspect has a gun and you charge them with criminal use or brandishing or something with that gun. And then you charge them, sentence them, and you then are like, oh, I actually want to charge attempted murder. I'm going to recharge them now with like an attempted murder charge. That is where it would be considered double jeopardy because you already charged them for that situation with that gun.
Right.
And you cannot go back and add charges now that they have been processed and sentenced, so on and so forth. The only time that there is an adjustment in sentencing is essentially if you charge them with attempted murder and the person dies, like say they're in the ICU or something like that, and then they end up dying, the charge would then adjust to murder.
Right.
Instead of attempted. Like those are the scenarios. That was how it was explained to me. So since the suspect was not charged for anything dealing with the scene of that hot gun, I would be inclined to believe that you can push charges for that situation. What was stopping us from doing that was simply because we were told you could not. If you didn't charge them right there during the processing, then you couldn't. So
and that was very much so when I was speaking with Frost, we discussed this. That was very much so like not anything written as much as it was like
we were just
a gentleman's agreement. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Gentleman's agreement.
Which is kind of problematic legally.
That's true. Yeah, it's
yeah, that's very interesting for sure. I'm trying to find statute of limitations. Let's see. Oh, the other.
Do we have armored vans in our fleet?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Because I'll be honest, I'm on the street and I'm seeing an armored PD van.
Oh, wow. It might be marshals? I'm not sure. King, are you on the radio?
Do they roll marked police vans?
No, I believe every time I've seen anybody that's been unmarked, is it a marked van?
Oh yeah, it definitely says police on it. It has the giant seal of Los Santos on it. And it has a light bar.
76 to you though, 20.
Yeah, that might be a good idea.
Hmm.
Two outstanding citizens let us know. How nice of them.
You know what, actually, I feel like I have seen this parked here before, but we should...
I have before once.
That's
Yeah.
what
What did you do?
thinking, but I
Did
didn't
you
know if it was,
inbound
like,
it?
fleet standard
I
or what, like,
believe
someone
so.
would go and then be like, oh, you have to pay
Did
for
you
it.
like call like expedite?
Hey.
Hello.
Hello.
Going.
Oh,
Good,
you
how are
know, just minding our
Oh,
business,
we just
doing our
called.
thing.
We just called this in.
Oh,
Perfect. Thank
Yeah,
you.
pretty cool, right?
I mean,
We're great citizens of Los Santos.
oh my God, what's your name?
I'm Nora Steele. What's your name?
Matt Rhodes.
Oh my God, what a nice name.
Oh my God, thank you.
You're welcome. Hey, not to bother you guys or anything, but since we like called this in, anyway, you guys have like a sandwich or something, I'm like gonna die.
Oh,
I'm
don't
gonna
have
die.
any food.
And you're gonna witness it. And then you'll have to report it, and then you'll have to do paperwork, so.
Girl, I love paperwork. Contrary to
Oh,
popular belief, girl, if you collapse here, unfortunately, I ain't got nothing for you. I ain't got food. I don't. If I did, I would give it to you, but I don't.
That's okay. But we do love a paperwork queen.
Y'all are my
Okay.
people. Y'all are
Oh
my
my God.
people.
I'm gonna remember you.
Oh my God, I'm memorable. You hear that, Alice?
Yeah.
I do. Good shit,
Okay,
Matt.
guys. Don't let us keep you.
Y'all go to Senior Buns ASAP. Go get food. I don't want you to starve.
Alright. We'll see you. Yeah, you know, it's Oh,
you know.
we're a little in the way. We kind of,
Oh,
you know.
Yep. No,
Yeah.
that's.
Yep.
Well,
Come on, Lulu. Bye. Nice to meet you, Matt. Bro.
nice to meet you too.
Bye.
Alice, I'm just a people person.
Yeah, and that's good. There's nothing wrong with that.
Their energy was
really
good, you know. I'm an energy matcher, and yet
Energy matching.
their energy was good. Not like these bitches out here who always upset.
That's true. That is very, very true. Very, very true.
I'm sorry. I'm just thinking of a million different things right now. Regarding the girl.
What was that?
Maze Bank?
Yeah,
Maze
776
Bank.
back to 90. Do we have enough use for this?
Girl. Tell her about we'll get the hostage.
That's a good joke. But yeah, I'll help you. You know what? Team effort here. Team effort.
I realize I don't have any vehicles. I'm gonna get.
Did you want me to? We're securing the hostage.
Yeah,
Okay, if you is glued to the MDT, let me drive.
I'm not glued to the MDT. I'm filling out your damn DAP points, bitch. Come for me and see what fucking happened.
It's 10:90.
God damn.
Well, we wasn't moving, and they're clearly a hostage at the Maze Bank Arana. Okay, well, you could do that, and I could drive for you.
Checking if there's a hostage.
You could have just. Oh, girl. Oh, girl.
I could have just ran the hot gun. Yeah, you're right.
Holy fuck! Don't talk to me like that. You're gonna make me laugh. Stop.
Listen, I take responsibility for when I done fucked up.
I believe you. I know. I understand. 21323 Maze Bank. We're gonna try to secure the hostage, and then we're going to let them go. Hello, sir. Did you call the police?
No, I'm talking to my friend for a ride.
Okay, just a heads up. An alarm's going off within the bank, so it's probably best that you at least move across the street. Okay.
I'll go towards the bigger shot.
And you might don't get near the bank. I would go straight across the street now. Oh.
Thank you.
Yeah, I would move. I'd move across the street. Move
No vehicles
quickly.
at the back.
Girl, that's the kind of person who run across the street during a street race, you know?
Open, there's a
Natural selection.
Right in front of it.
SUV, light blue in color. I'm just gonna check the plate. Gauntlet is going through the back, followed by a red SUV.
Okay, I do hear people.
What is going on?
3 people running inside
Oh, they're.
the bank.
Oh, that's angry.
Do they have a Hustage?
You can't be going in there.
Stand by.
Everybody take a chill pill.
I'm chill. I don't need to take a pill.
The 7 is going to document their vehicles. Looks like the vehicle inside is stolen, as well as the vehicle outside.
Hey, firm.
I think they're all both stolen vehicles.
What's going on in there?
We are just seeing the security out in here. We're testing
Any
what
hostages
is
at the
going
back, or
on.
just 3 individuals that just ran in.
Why y'all testing the security system?
Because they hired us to do a in-house penetration test.
In-house penetration. You?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
They said we need the best of the best, and that's what they.
The best of the best, bitch. The first name I heard out your mouth was Jamal.
What? Jamal?
No chance. Get him up here. Get him up here right
I
now.
can talk with Matt Rhodes. It's not
Okay. Give me a second.
Someone's looking into the light blue SUV's trunk. Do you have, are you able to, we're gonna go ask if they have a hostage.
Hey there, guys.
Oh yeah, we good to leave in like 1 minute. Out of a sure.
Good to leave.
We're good to leave, and uno momento, por favor.
Oh damn. Y'all good to
do
go?
you have a hostage in there?
Oh yeah, he's in the front.
Oh, he's in the front.
They said they have the hostage in front. Do you
We
have
didn't see nobody in the front.
Any
You didn't
visuals?
see him out there?
No.
No. How many of you guys are inside here?
He's in the front.
Can you bring him at the back here?
Oh no. What had happened was technically by
I'm gonna go over to
association,
the front
just
one
by
moment.
principle.
Just a moment. There's an individual in the back claiming that the hostage is in the front. If y'all don't see a hostage in the front, they don't have one. And they're likely going to be leaving.
They're gonna be leaving right now. They be getting to this blue car, no hostages.
Hey, Firm,
so
you're
we can
going to have to
pursue.
pursue the units at the front.
Confirmed, we're southbound approaching San Andreas Avenue.
Oh, hello!
Oh my God,
So,
it's
hey,
happening.
y'all, as much as I would love to talk, the bank's being robbed. All right, you leave the area, please.
Right, southbound, South Rockford.
Y'all stay safe. Status on the units inside the bank?
Russian King, there's still one suspect inside that they left that they're mad at because he let the he said that he let the hostage go.
Is it Jamal? Oh, this is your
No,
car, I'm in.
I think it might be Future, but I don't know for sure because he's wearing a mask. But
Yeah,
Oh, sorry.
77 with me.
Sorry,
Yeah,
sorry.
southbound
What did you
London.
just do?
Outside 3 times. They did put something inside the vehicle.
Why
So
not?
if we can just at least get the vehicle out
they're
there,
about
but
to get shot
stop on
down,
the Slender
and
Street
I'm not
behind me,
getting shot
Sacramento.
down over a Maze Bank.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
I don't care. Let them take the
There
money.
is gonna
There's not
be a
people. I'm officer
forehead.
safety will
I don't think
always
it's one with a mask
be
on.
number one to.
And
But
we
I
have
will
like
back
the
up,
cookie
Chris.
mask guy.
Let me take you to get a car.
I think
okay?
Guy Jones jumped into the black gauntlet. We're southbound
separating
Davis.
for a minute.
Hey, Firm, he
Circling on
did.
Mace Bank, approaching Dutch London Street, westbound. Yeah, right split towards Dutch London, westbound, approaching underneath Puerto Freeway. Back
The
towards
guy that was in the front was on.
Crystal, we likely do not have units to pursue. It's probably going to be
I
best
want to
if we
go for the
break.
guy inside the bank.
We've left the bank. Ultimately, if we go after that person, they're going to come back, and then we're back at square one with them outnumbering us.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. We should clear the bank. If there is no hostage, it is what it is. If there's a hostage, we try to secure the hostage. There's just simply not anything we can really do. I'm not looking to get gunned down by 6 people. There were already 6 people inside there. It looks like at least 4 or 5.
Lauren, thank you
so
for the 56 months. I appreciate it.
Just thinking about preserving life at this point. That's my thought process.
Okay. Yeah, agreed. I'm still at the bank, though. I haven't seen any movement or heard voices, so I think old mate fucked up.
Alright, 2 and 3,
I don't know the
we're
layout
at
of
the
this place,
back.
though.
There are like 5 different entrances that we don't even have officers to be able to cover, to be honest. So let's just clear the bank together and then collect evidence, if there is any, and then we'll go from there. Oh, but then now we got a cash exchange that has a hostage that we need to
Girl, bring me to
protect.
Mission Row. I need to grab a car. It's raining. I'm wet.
Ew, what
I hate this.
Wrong.
I hate this. I don't have an umbrella.
Rain me.
I don't have an umbrella.
These guys are crying because of how down horrendous we are right
There's
now.
the,
Oh, go back. Go back. Run the plate of that jugular. See if it belongs to Chaz
the one by
Diaz.
Strawberry.
Why Chaz
Show the
Diaz?
whole
Why would
PD
Chaz
responding
Diaz-
to that.
Oh,
Oh my
no.
god, Cass!
Nope.
Chaz Blue.
Burn!
Oh.
It's just jugular equals typically one of 2 people.
Oh, it's
Eugene
like Hydra.
or Chaz.
Is that
This neither.
looks like a buffalo.
Han, stop committing illegal activities. Thank you.
Green buffalo
Goodbye.
SDX parked outside.
Yeah, I'm gonna start calling them hands.
Okay.
See Hydra colors.
Let me see some hands. Okay, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna keep up with much in the CVP, you know?
Yeah, I don't think right now is the time to like be test dummy in the CVPI. That
Girl, it ain't test dummy. It ain't test dummy.
boost.
You think I'm gonna be going to a D or C boost in a CVPI when them bitches gonna have gauntlets ready to shove me out the way?
No, no, that is how we are not responding to C or D boost with anything but CVPI. And one, either Taurus or Scout is like the parallel. We're trying to not get fucking blasted by gauntlets and shit. Get a DM core. We'll talk about it after. I don't have time. Sorry. Why am I here right now? 2 and 3. Sorry, go ahead.
Apologies, didn't mean to cut you off. I'm just going 23. You good to go?
Okay. So we did not see any hostage at Maze Bank.
Correct.
Okay. I'm just gonna. We'll just say we're just moving past that one on to the next where we can attempt to try to respond. So 23 cash exchange.
Be advised, they do have a hostage. This poor lady.
Why?
Confirm, I'm at the back.
Oh, 206, can have you flag the plate?
Break! I believe there's bulletproof paneling on this car.
That's what I was thinking.
RO is a Claude Petit.
It's like Afghanistan all over again.
Y'all, I have bad news. Well, good news. If they keep it on a straight, I can keep up. Bad news. If they break, I'll be in the next city before I can turn.
Is your car damaged? Is that what you're saying?
No, we just got the brakes of a pedal bike on an SUV.
Oh, you should drive the Taurus. It's much better, and it probably be more suffice for this pursuit.
Girl, do you see the car we're pursuing?
I did, yeah.
You know how fast it go? More than 171.
Yeah. But I mean, girl, if you can't hit the brakes and you can't keep up with it in the city, when it get on the highway, it ain't gonna matter because they're gonna lose me. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'm gonna lose you when I zoom past in the fast lane.
Okay, all right, okay.
Be advised, there's firearm presence at this cash exchange.
Mm-mm-mm.
They asked me for 36 minutes. No free passage, but no spike strips. They want spike strips.
Affirm.
Huh.
So there's no free passage means we can tackle them before they even enter the vehicle.
The only concern there is they'll be within close vicinity to the Astage, and then we're screwed.
It's got a bomb on it. That's why they want us to tackle them near it.
I don't know what type of gun that guy has,
I'm
the
moving my
black
car
mask,
over.
shirtless, but it looks like, I don't know, it had like crazy attachments on it. It almost looks like a class 2. And the monkey mask guy is gonna have a class 1 gun, no attachments.
Hey, is this Mr. Rhodes?
Hey, what up?
Hey, what's up, Mr. Rhodes?
Oh, you know, just living
I'm
my
guessing main
best
target
life.
will be the
How are
guy
you?
You guys have Korean won. You won $5,000 in Korean
with
won.
a mask, shirtless.
No.
Because he has
Y'all
that
at the cash
crazy
exchange.
gun.
Y'all should be exchanging cash there.
But there's like nothing in here,
I think
you
it's
know?
dangerous going up against these guys. Two of
Nothing
them
in
are
there.
armed
That's
with
not
guns
true.
I've
They
seen.
only have 2 US currencies. They don't have anything.
If there was nothing in there, y'all wouldn't be robbing
What
it.
could go wrong?
Yeah, that's what I mean. There's only like
Confidence
US
is key,
currency.
yeah.
in there,
Can I have you
not
back in the
dollars.
bank cash exchange, please?
Oh yeah, sorry.
Alright.
230 is gonna do a quick lap. around the area, so I'll be 30 seconds.
Yes, do you have outside?
2:30.
206 might definitely not put me in primary, just for the sake of everyone else in this chain.
A Taurus should definitely be primary, and then 2 Tauruses, in fact, and then I can be tertiary as the scout in the event where they keep it on straights.
Alice, you good to be primary?
Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah, if Rose doesn't want it, I'll take it, sure.
I could
Rose
do
is
it.
tertiary as scout.
I could do it in the scout. It just might be a wee bit difficult.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, it'd probably be better, and then we can swap through. I mean, if they break your
Okay,
ankles,
firm.
I'll be there.
Okay, I'm content with that. Crystal, are you content with me being primary and then Alice secondary, if that's the case?
Romelius.
Yeah, just in general, yeah, maybe I should just take the hostage.
We'll have Alice primary, 307 secondary, Rhodes. Actually, no, well, Rhodes, you can go secondary, so you can easily swap between primary.
Ephraim, I think we're starting in reverse of that. We're gonna do me primary, and if the rain makes it difficult to turn or brake, Alice will then take over if I miss the turn.
10-4. We can have Alice secondary. 307 will be tertiary.
Alright, it's not
Again, be advised, main target is going to be the guy shirtless with the mask. He has like a pretty crazy gun on him. Almost looks like a class 2, but I think it is attachment. And the guy with the monkey mask is also armed with a class 1. Unsure about the female and the other guy. The guy with like wearing all black, he has knuckle dusters on him.
I'm making sure you good.
I'm good. I'm okay.
100 seconds.
For no specific reason, has anyone checked to see whether or not the glass is bulletproof?
I don't think right now is the time to try.
I'm not saying we gonna test right now. I'm just has anybody had an experience?
No, not me.
Okay.
Yeah, not with this type of car, no.
Oh no, I meant to the cash exchange. I'm sorry. I should have clarified.
I can test it on my way out.
No, it's fine.
Flacco, please come help. Or he might not be on the radio doing a report. He ain't coming.
He said they're ready to go.
Hey, firm, 230's mounted and ready. 231 showing you 1041. We are at a cash exchange being robbed. Individuals are about to load up into a Buffalo STX with what seems to be bulletproof paneling along the side on Innocent and Strawberry.
Yeah, I'm coming.
A firm.
Moving from the back right now. If they sneak out, there's nothing we can do.
Hughes is now making contact. Again, we'll have Rhodes primary, Alice secondary, 307 tertiary. Any other units can be parallel. We're having Hughes take the hostage. Driver is going to
loading up now.
Driver is the main target, shirtless. He has a crazy gun.
Right, we're not pointing guns at any officers.
That's good to hear. That's what I like to
Say
hear.
they may swap into a
Active
yeah.
80 with the Buffalo STX westbound, Innocence, right, northbound, power. I think it's occupied 3-4 times.
Times.
Left, westbound to Spooky.
northbound San Andreas. Incorrect lanes of travel. Crossing lower power, continuing eastbound, passing Elgin, crossing Strawberry, continuing eastbound San Andreas. Left, immediate right, eastbound Sinner's Passage, left northbound. Oh, Little Bighorn, they waited for me.
Hey, 1 second, Mr. Rhodes.
I don't know what they're doing.
Okay, I'll take it left, westbound Integrity Way. Left southbound Strawberry, approaching San Andreas, crossing San Andreas, approaching Vespucci, crossing Vespucci, approaching Adams Apple, crossing Adams Apple, passing GT Strawberry gas station, continuing southbound Strawberry, passing the Ring of Fire, continuing southbound Strawberry, approaching Forum, slowing, heavy traffic, crossing Forum, oh my god, I barely made it, continuing southbound Strawberry. Holding right at the fork, continuing westbound Dutch London Street, crossing into the Porto, transitioning northbound Dutch London Street, crossing the South Rockford, continuing northbound, oh, kind of headaches, continuing northbound Calais, approaching Vespucci, slowing at Vespucci, continuing northbound Calais, approaching San Andreas, left westbound San Andreas, left southbound Palomino Ave, left eastbound through an alleyway towards Calais, right southbound Calais.
What did you just do?
Left eastbound Vespucci, passing Red Garage, approaching Red Garage, passing Red Garage, passing Peaceful Street, approaching Alta Street, left northbound Alta Street, approaching San Andreas, crossing San Andreas, continuing northbound Alta Street. Approaching Occupation, crossing Occupation, continuing northbound Alta Street. Crossing Howick, approaching Spanish, crossing Spanish, continuing northbound Alta Street. Approaching Vinewood Boulevard, approaching right.
We never trust their turns.
To be momentarily. Nope. Regain Eyes, continuing eastbound. Crossing Meteor, continuing eastbound Boulevard. Crossing Elgin, approaching Mirror Park, passing the casino. Approaching the bend towards the Mirror Park gas station, slowing. Southbound Mirror Park Boulevard, slowing right. Westbound Nicola Ave, right. Westbound Bridge Street.
230 secondary, continuing westbound Bridge. Right, northbound on the off-road path leading back towards Mirror Park Boulevard. Left, westbound down into the canals. They may attempt to go for the Del Perro jump. Oh, there you go. I'm sorry. Currently VCB last seen southwest in the canals. I got visual. They're positioning for the jump. Stand by. And they are not taking it. They're full sending southbound in the canals parallel to Little Bighorn. They're taking the staircase up to Little Bighorn. I don't know if I can do this.
I don't know.
I cannot.
Oh, there's a block.
Oh.
There's a block.
None of us can.
Oh, okay.
None of our vehicles go up there anyways.
Wait,
VCB,
Get
UTL.
up this. Wait, I can get up here now. Hold on. Excuse me. Excuse me. You can make it, Matt, but the block.
There's nothing we can do because if we spin our wheels at all, our vehicle's literally going to do a 360.
Yeah, I
Got a
Benson
Benson block up the top anyway, guys.
A-firm. Yeah, that's what we're dealing with.
Benson.
I'm going to try to help you up, but if you do anything, there's nothing we can do.
Alright, let's pursue the Benson. We've got the Benson now. We're gonna chase this Benson. Okay, sending with the Benson, continuing southbound on the train tracks parallel to Little Bighorn. They are driving in reverse. Be careful in case a train comes. Continuing southbound. It's continuing in reverse. It's on Little Bighorn now. Continuing southbound, right, westbound Adams Apple. Continuing Westbound Adams Apple. They were on the radio. Crossing Strawberry, sorry, 22. Approaching Strawberry. They're a little slow. Crossing Strawberry, approaching Elgin. Crossing Elgin and approaching Power. Crossing Power and approaching Alta Street. Crossing Alta Street, continuing westbound Adams Apple. Approaching Calais, slowing right northbound Calais. Crossing Susie Circus. Crossing Vespucci, continuing northbound. Approaching San Andreas, right, eastbound San Andreas. If anyone would like to go back and get the car, I don't believe, otherwise we will be able to pit this.
230s and a scout.
Go ahead,
I'm ready.
Come get retake
Oh,
primary.
right.
Continuing eastbound San Andreas, crossing Lower Power.
I had roads, but I'll try.
Okay, you and Rose can pull up and
Hey, firm overtaking on left.
Secondary, you're gonna take the cops.
Continuing southbound Elgin, left eastbound Innocence, right southbound Strawberry. Currently by the church along Strawberry, approaching Mosley's. Right westbound Carson. Vehicle has been pit, now facing the opposite direction. Oh, they're going through an alley? It looked like they were blocked. I'm going around.
I don't put it.
He's also going to be getting to a black SUV.
Rick,
Black
I've got
SUV.
eyes on
See if you can
the
get it
primary.
blocked.
I'm in the
Get it blocked.
I'm in front of it.
The green vehicle's on scene. It's pulling up.
Hey, firm, we have the black SUV box.
See if you get a box. Oh.
Right by the box truck. If we can get someone to pull that individual out.
One more unit with us.
Okay, the green vehicle's gonna come push you guys.
They're pushing hard.
I'm on split.
We need somebody to pull the individual out.
Yo,
07.
I'm in with the cops.
Some radio. They're trying to push it out.
Yeah!
Nice.
Uh-oh.
Do not resist.
Tell your friend to be careful. You're gonna kill us all.
Sir, do not.
Running on foot. Gonna be getting to
I'm wedge.
northbound. Right, southbound. Southbound.
I'm swapping seats. I'm about to move.
You're continuing eastbound, left northbound VCB.
They're gonna. There's a 100% chance they come back for this black SUV. Put this and the Benton to register to Arnold Carl.
Continuing northbound Elgin. Sorry, Strawberry. The unit in front of me, call it.
I have still possibly went west. Stand by, still pushing northbound towards the freeway. Heavy distance on me though. VCB around the bend of the
Getting
freeway.
up on the roof.
Sending, mate.
You should have real good acceleration. Just keep sending it straight. I'll get off the freeway at Vinewood Boulevard.
Oh my god.
Status
Never mind.
use?
Are you okay? Fucked by a dickhead.
All right, sir. Just one more picture.
I confirm it was Hydra. So they could have got off of the Vinewood Boulevard there, Vinewood Park Drive, and went straight to Mirror Park.
Highly possible. You'll call what you want to hear.
If there's
to
any tow
Sergeant,
trucks
if you
for
wanna
us to help move
coordinate
this.
on the main vehicle.
Um.
Black one, sorry.
Now let's just push back. I'm already to Bolingbrook and I don't see them. So let's go push back to the two vehicles with the other officers and we'll take what we can get. It's not a lot of units.
I got smashed by an idiot in an SUV. Some 76 back to the original scene. My car's fucked.
2 and 3 safe traffic.
There's a female on the basketball court watching unchurch involved. Red jacket, blonde hair. That sound familiar at all?
I do not know what the suspects inside look like.
Oh, yeah, there's a female with long brownish blonde hair.
Across the road, on the basketball court. Crystal, do you see him?
Oh, him? I'll see a second.
Just where Forum Drive alleyways. She's on that basketball court there. Blonde hair, black mask, red shirt.
Trunk of the Benson's clear. No sense of tampering.
Yeah, I don't know. It's the same female. I can't identify from her.
No, negative. That looks like red hair. The SUV has been documented. I can see if we can get
Oh my
God,
Three
back.
cars back on scene.
back here. The ramming car is really everyone back at innocent.
213.
They're moving the car. I can't get back to my vehicle.
Gonna get back in the SUV. Or attempting to.
Yeah.
Sir, I'm gonna need you to step out.
Hell no, man.
Get out the car.
Sorry.
SUV is going to be taken off. Oh.
I'm in the SUV.
You need a little bumper to
That vehicle's
go?
heavily behind you.
Well, okay, the SUV was documented, correct?
Hey,
Affirm.
I'm about to just let him go, and I'm still gonna VAF it anyway, so we'll just let it go. Like,
Hey, firm.
it's been documented. Like, there's 4 to 5 interference vehicles.
There's no legal requirement for us to actually impound the vehicle.
So I'm just gonna let them go with that, and we hit the vehicles with the VAFs and move on.
I think I just mentioned to have it in custody. Long enough in custody?
Yeah, I mean, just like when we have an individual in handcuffs on the side of, you know, the side of the road, they in our custody.
Do the same for the truck.
Hey, firm. Train's coming through. Be careful.
Documented road.
I did get the Benson documented. You got the black SUV that they took, right?
Affirm.
All right, then yeah, between the two, we're good.
Let's attempt to get this Benson at least impounded. Oh no, they're coming back. They're coming back for this.
You're cool. You know what you want to do here?
let them take it. Don't pursue. It's pointless.
Yeah,
It's all yours, fellas.
There's only 4 of us. I would rather. There's more of 5 of us. There's more of them than us. So just let them go.
Is everything good?
It's like 4.5. My
Yeah,
car's
everything's
fucked, so
fine. It's all yours.
Fucking time bomb.
Are you guys like having a crazy situation going on?
Nope, we just don't want to deal with it. Keep it moving, please.
Just move out of here. Let's just move out together. 21376 MRPD.
230, same traffic.
We'll go to MRPD. We'll fix our vehicles, regroup, and move on to the next one. We'll hit those vehicles with the VAP points, and it'll be all good.
The day in the office, mate.
Yeah, it is. Well, to the end of the day, we just do our best, and honestly, we ate. Like, them bitches had to bring back 5 vehicles because they couldn't do anything, and they set up a damn Benson block after we pursued them for like 5 minutes. Like, girl, they didn't even try to lose us. They couldn't.
They couldn't.
Hey, good shit, everyone.
Two, 3, 5, 10, 41.
Did somebody get the victim statement?
A firm.
A firm. If we can get that in a report, and we'll use that report for the VAF.
I don't think we took photos of the individuals inside. But I'll take a picture of the dispatch call.
All right, perfect.
Yeah, her statement was pretty generic, so I'll just run off what we had.
A firm. Does it at least mention being picked up somewhere and taken against their will?
Yeah.
A firm. Then we're good.
I signed the report, sir.
I was waiting for Hughes to start it because Hughes took the
I can do it.
victim statement. Crystal's gonna put up a report regarding the situation, then we'll consolidate the information there.
Hey, firm. 2 and 3. I'm going to go to Strawberry Gas, refuel, and then I will come right back
Okay, report
to
is up.
write my statement.
I'm missing anyone.
Dispatch 2610 Mission Row.
Hard license plate. ET6B8. UCN. All right. We have this, and we have Okay, well that's not the plate. 6S215KH5. Arnold. Benson is ET. Then 6S. The baller. I'm not doing my statement in the MDT. I'll paste it. Statement responded. Forward. First unseen. Side. Green. Was registered. You. When they brought you to work, nows, location, records. Attempted to get up the staircase. Benson registered.
So was that Buffalo XTX on scene?
The Buffalo was registered to Claude Petit. That was the one in front of the catch exchange.
Was it STX?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Is it STS or STX?
X. STX is in like X-ray. Then drove forward, blocking units. Staircase. Went around. This point. Vincent was being hit by officers. Vincent then pulled into the alleyway off of person. Caller had been parked. Vincent. Caller in. Sorry. Driver of. Jumped into the baller and attempted to flee. Alright, so the driver of the Benson jumped into the baller and attempted to evade. Roads went around as they blocked the rear side of the alleyway with the Benson and ended up blocking the baller. This point, the individual who was both the driver of Benson and baller jumped out and got into their vehicle and fled. And as a result, both Crystal and Rhodes and documenting vehicles. Documented the Benson while Crystal had documented the baller. Baller's plate. TT6B8 DCM.